Imagine your plant coming to a grinding halt because of a missing document. This is a reality many face due to undervalued schematics. Without proper documentation, repairs can stretch endlessly, forcing costly reverse engineering. Picture manually tracing wires through complex systems just to understand your own equipment. This is the hidden cost of buying used machinery without documentation. To combat this, maintain a comprehensive inventory of all documentation, stored securely and updated regularly. Modern solutions like embedding PDFs in HMIs and PLCs can help, but they still need diligent backup practices. Understanding your plant environment is crucial. Factors like temperature, humidity, and corrosive chemicals can wreak havoc on your systems. Heat is the biggest enemy of electronics, cutting their lifespan in half for every 10 degrees above room temperature. Proper enclosure and cooling practices, like using stainless steel enclosures and conformal coatings, can mitigate environmental risks. Obsolete equipment is a ticking time bomb for unplanned downtime. Proactive management is key to continuous operations. Modernizing technology and adopting proactive maintenance can significantly reduce downtime and increase efficiency. Plan upgrades and educate management on the long-term benefits.